Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Now, let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.